Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Children, now let us discuss what is consciousness in detail. Therefore, the becomes the defining property of living organisms. When it comes to human beings, it is all the more difficult to be defined the living state. We observe patients lying in coma in hospitals, virtually supported by machines which replaced heart and lungs. The patient is otherwise brain dead. The patient has no self conscious, are such patients who never come back to normal life, living or non living. In higher classes, you will come to know that all living phenomena are due to underlying interactions. Properties of tissues are not present in the constituent cells but rise as a result of interactions among the constituent cells. Similarly, properties of cellular organelles are not present in the molecular constituents of the organelle but rise as a result of interactions among the molecular components comprising the organelle. These interactions results in emergent properties at a higher level of organization. This phenomena is true in the hierarchy of organizational complexity at all the levels. Therefore, we can say that living organisms are self-replicating, evaluating and self-regulating interactive system capable of responding to external stimuli. Biology is the story of life on the earth. Biology is the story of evolution of living organisms on the earth. All living organisms, present, past, and future, are linked to one another by the sharing of the common genetic material but to varying degrees. Children, once again discuss about physical and biological hierarchies. There is a physical non-living hierarchy and biological hierarchy in the organization of living body. In the physical hierarchy, various non-living components aggregate to form compounds, which finally enter the living world into the form of a cell. These cells organize to form tissues that form organs, and several organs combine to form organ system. Finally, many organ systems organized and form a living organism. The properties of tissues are not present in the constituent cells but arise as a result of interactions among the constituent cells. For example, bone is a hard tissue which provides framework to the body, but the cells present inside it do not have this property. This phenomena of interactions between various components of the body results in the hierarchy of organization. The various life processes are the result of these interactions and coordination. The complexity in organization enables living organisms has to be self-replicating, evaluating, self-regulating and responding to the external stimuli. All living organisms along with their ancestors and the descendants are linked to one another by sharing of a common genetic material in the form of DNA in varying degrees. This DNA is responsible for expression of specific traits in organisms. Thus, biology is the story of life on the earth, and it is the story of evolution of all living organisms on the earth as we discussed earlier. Thank you.